Hello dear students, welcome to our today's class, and today we are going to solve some numericals of your chapter 5 heat. Okay, so for that what formulas we are going to use today, let's see. So today we are going to use this formula, that is Q is equal to M into C into delta T. Okay, so what are these terms involves, what are these terms called? Let's see. Q is equal to heat energy. Okay, M is equal to what? M is mass of object. Then delta T is called as change in the temperature of object, and C is equal to specific heat. Okay, so this formula is related to specific heat capacity, which you will get in your page number 68. Okay, textbook page number 68. So today we are going to solve the numericals on specific heat capacity topic. Okay, so let's see what the first numerical says. Here the question number 1, which says that how much heat energy is necessary to raise the temperature of 5 kg of water from 20 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. So let's see what is given in the term. M is equal to, that is small m is equal to 5 kg. kg है मतलब क्या है, m है, that is mass. So m is equal to 5 kg. C is called as what? C is a specific heat. So the specific heat of water, okay, that is equal to 1. This answer you will get in your page number 68. That one chart is given. So for in that chart you will get this answer, that is C is equal to 1. Okay, then C is equal to 1 kilocalorie slash kg degree Celsius. Then delta T is what? Change in temperature. So here the temperature changes from 100 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius. Okay, so we are going to minus this temperature, that is delta T is equal to 100 minus 20 is equal to 80 degrees Celsius. Yes. Then what we have to find out? We have to find out heat energy. Okay, how much heat necessary? So we have to find out heat energy, that is Q. Okay, here the heat energy, that is Q. Okay, so for that obviously we are going to use this formula, that is Q is equal to M into C into delta T. Just we have to put the things which are there in the formula, that is solution. In solution, the necessary heat is equal to heat gain by water. So Q is equal to M into C into delta T. Yes, Q जो है वो हमको पता करना है, that is equal to M का value कितना है? M is equal to 5 kg. Yes, that we are going to put over here. Then C is equal to 1 and delta T, that is change in temperature, is equal to 80 degrees Celsius. Okay, if you multiply 80 into 5 you will get 400 kilocalorie. Okay, so the answer which we got over here, that is hence the heat energy necessary to raise the temperature of water, that is equal to how much? 400 kilocalorie. So simply we have to put the whatever solution, the values which are there in the formula, and then we'll get the proper solution. Okay, so this is the one question. Then we are moving towards the second question, which is your textbook first question in unsolved numericals. Okay, so what is given over here? Let's see. Equal heat is given to two objects A and B of mass 1 gram. Okay. Temperature of A increases by 3 degrees Celsius and B by 5 degrees Celsius. Which object has more specific heat and by what factor? Okay. So here from the question you will understand that the two objects are there. Okay, so let's take one object as A and the second object as B. Okay, heat is always we are going to give in terms of Q, that is here the two objects are there, so that's why we are going to write it as Q1 and Q2. Okay, then mass of first object is how much? Mass of first object is 1 gram. Okay, so M1 is equal to 1 gram. And what about mass of second object? That is M2. M2 is equal to how much? Here the M2 is equal to also 1 gram. Okay, read the question carefully. Equal heat is given to two objects A and B of mass 1 gram. दोनों का मास जो है वो 1 ग्राम है. So we are going to write M2 over here, that is 1 gram. Then the change in temperature. Change in temperature. Temperature of A increases by 3 degrees Celsius. So that is, we are going to write over here 3 degrees Celsius, and temperature of B by 5 degrees Celsius. So delta T is equal to 5 degrees Celsius. Specific heat, which we don't know. Okay, so specific heat is always denoted in terms of C. So that we don't know of two objects. So C1 also we are going to find out, and C2 also. So let's see. So we have to find out the specific heat. Which object has more specific heat? Okay, so in the solution, it is given that Q1 is equal to Q2. The two object has equal mass. The two object, yes, two objects are almost equal. So here Q1 का फॉर्मूला क्या था? M1. यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने क्या यूज़ किया था? Q का फॉर्मूला, that is M into C into delta T. But here the two objects are there. So what we are going to write? Q1 and Q2. Just हम यहाँ पे M1 into C1 into delta T1 लिखेंगे, and M2 into C2 into delta T2. Okay. So M1 का वैल्यू कितना है? 1. Into C1 we have to find out, into delta T1 is equal to 3. So 3 over here. Then is equal to M2 का वैल्यू कितना है? M2 is also 1. Yes. Then C2 is how much? C2 we have to find out, and into T2. Delta T2 is equal to how much? 5 degrees Celsius. So here if you C1 को यहाँ पे लेके आएंगे and C2 को 5/3, C2 यहाँ पे लिखेंगे. ओके, एंड 3 जो है उसको इसके नीचे डालेंगे, तो C1 इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच? 5/3 C2. ये आंसर आ जाएगा. ओके, सो द स्पेसिफिक हीट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट A, that is C1, is more. Okay, and then C2. Okay, that is object B. C2 कौन सा लिया है? B ऑब्जेक्ट है. C1 जो है वो A ऑब्जेक्ट है. Okay, so specific heat of object A is more than object B, and by what factor? By factor 5/3. Okay, so this is your one question. This is very easy, related to specific heat capacity. Just you have to put the formula and you will get the answer. Okay, thank you students. Practice these questions. Okay, thank you.